Hi everyone, this is Dave Kapur with All City Real Estate, and I'm here in Nolina in Georgetown, visiting Westin Homes and looking at the new model home and the newer community that they just started. So let's take a look at the community, and let me give you a center. So this is their amenity center out here in Nolina, pretty nice. I've been inside, and it's a great place to be for family, for kids, and everyone. So we'll take a look at that later. But let's take a look at the model home for Westin Homes. This is Westin Homes 60-foot product. The floor plan called Lindy. It's a single-story plan. So let's walk in and see the floor plan and talk to Saidi, who's their sales consultant, and get some more information on the plan. It's a nice entry foyer, pretty wide hallway, and as you enter, you have the secondary rooms on the side. To your right, pretty good sized rooms. They share a bathroom, but yeah, this is a shared bathroom with dual vanities, and this is what used to be called a Jack and Jill earlier days. But yes, this is the shared bathroom with the dual vanity. So you have the nice tiles in the backsplash, and this is the way this enters to the other bedroom. Again, I said pretty good sized rooms, a nice plantation shutters, good heights for the ceiling. So as we walk, on the left side is the guest bathroom, the powder room, and the secondary room. Pretty good size secondary room with an attached bathroom. So you have a ensuite room downstairs for your guests or parents visiting, and a very good sized closet too for a secondary bedroom. The piece of this house is the heart of the house, which is the living room and the kitchen, and it is a must see. Pretty wide open, nice touches, nice upgrades out here. The central island is great. The extension that they built onto the central island makes it convenient to entertain guests to have out there, and then you could have the formal dining out there, or even your driving or your daily goods, and then the bar in the back. That's a nice touch. But look at the openness of the floor plan. Nice high vaulted ceilings, beams up there, nice fireplace in the middle with all tiles all the way up to, and then you also have a small office, pretty good size office actually if you think about it. It's a pretty open office, and lastly, let's look at the primary suite. And that's your primary suite tucked behind, good privacy. I like how it is tucked behind and you don't see into the room directly. So as you enter, people don't look into your room or your bed directly when they enter. So I like that. Again, tray ceilings up there, pretty good sized room, and a nice round bathroom, pretty big actually, with dual vanities, a standalone tub, a walk-in shower, and the walk-in shower is pretty good size. And then two closets, and both are good size closets. And then that's the second closet. I like this plan. And I said pretty good size primary bathroom, very well adorned, and then your bedroom itself. And then in the back is your laundry room on the other side of the kitchen, and the entry to the garage. But a good size laundry room, your mud room, walk in when you come out from the garage, then easy access to the kitchen. So pretty good. But the best feature of the house that I like is the openness, which I'm just amazed with the way they've done this. Good size thing. So hope looking at the house with me. And if you have any questions, reach out to me, Dave Kapur with All City Real Estate at 512-920-3155. Thank you.